Watching my cat with her adorable kittens is like witnessing a masterclass in motherhood. From the gentle grooming to the playful antics, every moment is filled with love and care. Did you know that mother cats can recognize each of their kittens by scent and meow? It's truly fascinating to see how instinct guides their every move. These little furballs may be tiny now, but they're already learning valuable life lessons from their mom. It's a heartwarming sight that never fails to bring a smile to my face.